Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening whenever and wherever you are watching this video from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to answer this trigonometry question. So without wasting much of the time, let's get started. By the way, this is 2025 Mathematics Paper 2, Grade 12. All right. The diagram shows a triangular piece of land, LMN, in which LM is 23.7 meters, MN is 16.6 meters, and angle LMN is 106 degrees. This is very simple. Look at the diagram, guys. You have two sides and an included angle. This angle is in between the two sides. So the rule we are going to use here is the cosine rule. Okay? Cosine rule. There is a video I've done explaining the difference between sine and cosine rule. Okay, so just check it out on our list of videos there and you'll be helped greatly. Okay, now the first question here, we are asked to calculate what? We are asked to calculate the distance LN, and this is 5 marks. LN, this distance. The first thing here, let's identify the sides. Opposite of this angle M here is this side. So we're going to write capital small letter what? Small letter M. Okay. Opposite of this angle here is this side. So we're going to write small letter N. This is very important because this information, we'll use it to come up with a formula. This opposite of this L is this side. So we're going to write L. Now the formula will be this. So this is question 1. Just write from here. Question 1. The formula will be start with the missing side. So the missing side is M. So this side where there's LN. So I'm going to say M squared is equals to then the other. Okay. L squared plus N squared minus 2LN. All right. 2LN cos the angle which is here M. So this is the formula we are using. Are we together? Very good, very good, very good. So let's substitute. So where there is the M, we're going to substitute with Ln. So we're going to say Ln in bracket squared is equals to. So now somebody may be asking why in brackets. If you just write Ln squared, it means only n is squared. But anyway, I think you have understood. L is 16.6. So we're going to just say 16.6 squared plus 23.7 squared minus 2 times L, which is 16.6 times what? Times 16.6 what? N times 23.7. 23.7 cos the angle, which is 106. 106. All right. 106. Then we can calculate here. So we have Ln squared is equals to, what is 16 squared? So you follow steps here. 16.6 squared. Okay. This is giving me 275 rather 0.56 plus what is 23.7 squared. 23.7 squared. This is 561.69 minus, let's calculate this, 2 times 16.6 times 23.7. Okay, this is giving me 786.84 cos 106. You follow steps, don't do shortcuts. Okay, very good. So here, when you reach this stage, we can just add the first two. Let's add these two. We can't subtract with this one because this one is attached to this cos 106. Okay, so let's first add these two. So we're going to add 275.56 56.56 plus 561.69. Okay, so this is giving me 837.25 minus 786.84 cos 106. So this is, from this stage we can now punch everything. We can calculate, we punch everything on a calculator. We can put everything on a calculator. So we can say 837.25 minus 786.84 cos what? 106. This is giving me, so we have ln squared is equals to 1054.132.497. This stage we're going to square root both sides. Okay. When you square root, this and this will cancel, just remain with ln is equals to the square root of this one. The square root of 1054 is 32.46740669. So let's round this one off to 3 significant figures, or just one decimal place, because everything is here in one decimal place, which is just the same as the 3 significant figures according to this. So one according to the question, so we have 1, 2, 3, 3 here, or just one decimal place. You have 32 point, add 1 to this one, this becomes 5 units, is meters. Okay, so this is the answer, 32.5 meters. Okay, that's it. The second question is saying calculate the area. So for us to calculate area, we're going to say area is equals to half the two given sides ln, then sine the angle m. Simple as this. So this will be area is equals to 1 over 2 times L 16.6 times n 23.7 sine 106. Okay, we use sine, not cosine. I know it's cosine rule, but when calculating area, we just use sine. Don't make that mistake of putting cos when calculating area. So half multiplied by 16.6 multiplied by 23.7 sine 106. This is giving me 189.0897882. Let's round this one off to just one decimal place. Yeah, because everything is just one decimal place in this question, or just 3 significant figures, there's no problem. All right. So 1, 2, 3. Let's say 189. 189. The units. This is the meters squared. This is what? This is area. All right. Finally, on question 8a, let's solve the shortest distance. The shortest distance from M to Ln, from here to here. Shortest distance is very simple. So you can just say SD, shortest distance, is equals to 2 multiplied by area over the base. So 2 times area is this 189. 189. The base is this Ln. This is the base Ln. And if we calculated Ln as that what? 32.5. Okay, so again, let's just simplify. You can just calculate that. You have 2 multiplied by 189 divided by what? 32.5. This is giving me 11.6307076,923. Okay, to one decimal place it will be 11.6. This is less than 5 meters. Okay, meters. And indeed this is the shortest distance if you compare it with the other three. This is 23, this is 16, this is 32, and this one is just 11. So this tells us that what we've done, what we've been doing here is the correct thing. Guys, if you have enjoyed this, consider subscribing, like the video, and see you in the next video.